How to fix Stremio add-ons not working. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily fix the Stremio add-ons not working. So the first thing you need to do is log into your account. And once you are logged in, you'll get popular recommendations of different movies and series. Now, if you want to watch anything, you can play it from here. But in case your add-ons are not working, you might not be able to play these series or movie shows. So in order to do that, on the left side of your screen, you'll find different tabs like Discover, Library, Calendar, and then Add-ons. You just want to head over to the Add-ons tab, and then you will see different add-ons tab here as well. The first one is the official add-ons, that is from the Stremio itself. Then you have community add-ons, and then finally on my add-ons you'll find a list of all of your add-ons. If you want to find a particular add-on, you just have to search for it here, and if you don't see it, or even if your add-on is installed and it's not working, you might want to uninstall the add-on first and install it again, and it should start working. But if it still does not work, then you can just go ahead and open up your web browser and search for Stremio download. And once you do that, you just hit enter and open up the Stremio's official website. Now you can just download Stremio, the latest version of Stremio for Windows, and then you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.